Legal guides. Application for exemption from implementation of wage order in the Philippines. Can a company or corporation be exempt from the implementation of a wage order basing on mere projected or potential losses?
This question was answered and clarified by the National Wages and Productivity Commission in the case of NWPC case number E98-002 dated April 8, 1998.
The facts of the case are as follows. On April 24, 1997, the Royal Totten Ceramic Corporation, filed with the Regional Tripartite Wages and Productivity Board, National Capital Region, an application for exemption from the subject wage order on the ground that the company is a distressed establishment.
The board disapproved the application for exemption after finding that appellant had profits or retained earnings amounting to 11,980,022 pesos as of the end of the last full accounting period, and that its paid-up capital of 100 million pesos did not suffer any capital impairment. Appellant company contended in its motion for reconsideration that although the financial records do not reflect any deficit amounting to 20% or more of the paid-up capital or capital deficiency, it does not necessarily follow that it is not distressed. It also contended that the increase in prices of oil and other petroleum products, raw materials as well as the peso depreciation are reasons enough for the filing of the application. Appellee TNMR opposed the motion, claiming that the grounds relied upon by the appellant company are immaterial in determining the qualification for exemption. The motion for reconsideration was denied by the board. The issue in this case revolves on whether or not appellant is entitled to exemption from compliance with subject wage order on the ground of potential losses which it will suffer. It was held by NWPC that Section 3.A.1 of NWPC Guidelines No. 01, Series of 1996 provides that an applicant establishment, to qualify for exemption, must submit proof that its paid-up capital was impaired by at least 20% or that it registered capital deficiency such that it had a negative stockholders' equity. Potential business losses, notwithstanding the degree of its seriousness and imminence, it continued that is not a recognized ground for exemption under the guidelines on exemption in the case of distressed establishments. The appeal of the company was denied for lack of merit. The decisions of the board was affirmed. The applicant for exemption from the wage order was Royal Totten Ceramic Corporation, which was also the appellant. The Tunay na Nagakasing Manggagawa sa Royal, TNMR, opposed the company. TNMR was also the appellee in the case.